Are you looking for the best cordless rivet gun that combines power, portability, and reliability? Stay tuned because we're ranking 5 of the top contenders, from the weakest to the absolute best performer. At number 5, we start with the ZUYIYI. It's a lightweight cordless rivet gun that keeps things simple and affordable, ideal for users who only need basic functionality. Its compact size is great for small projects or anyone who prefers a tool that's easy to maneuver and carry around. The CO710's biggest strengths are its lightweight feel and compatibility with most standard 18-volt batteries. It can handle the most common rivet sizes you'll use in everyday work, and it's easy to operate even for beginners. Think of it as a good entry-level cordless rivet gun. Nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. Of course, it does come with a few drawbacks. The pulling power and stroke aren't clearly specified, and the build feels less robust compared to premium brands. Since it doesn't come with a battery, you'll have to buy that separately if you don't already own one. If you're an occasional DIY user or someone who needs a lightweight backup tool, the CO710 will work fine. But if you're doing heavier or professional work, you'll want to keep watching. The next ones pack a lot more punch. By the way, all the products we talk about today are linked in the description below at the best available prices, so make sure to check them out. Coming in at number 4, the Funnywhale Mate 20 is a decent step up in design and features. It's compatible with DEWALT 20V max batteries, which is a big plus if you're already in that ecosystem. The brushless motor and built-in LED work light are welcome touches, especially if you often work in dim or tight spaces. Performance-wise, the Mate 20 delivers smoother operation and better efficiency than the previous model. The brushless motor gives it a longer lifespan and more consistent power delivery. It's built for users who need something a bit tougher and more durable than entry-level tools. However, Funnywhale doesn't specify the pulling force, which makes it harder to compare it directly with the top-tier models. Also, like the ZUYIYI, this tool doesn't come with a battery or charger, so it's not a complete kit out of the box. If you already own DEWALT-compatible batteries and want a mid-tier tool that balances power and convenience, this is a practical choice. And before we move on, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this video. It really helps us keep bringing you more reviews like this. In third place, we have the Riveter gun kit. This one comes as a full package: batteries, charger, carrying case, everything you need right out of the box. It offers impressive pulling strength and versatility for its price, capable of handling steel and stainless rivets with ease. The inclusion of 2 5-amp-hour batteries gives you a lot of working time, which is something both previous models lacked. The brushless motor ensures stable performance and reduced maintenance. It's definitely a big step up for users who need something more complete and ready to go. That said, at around 8 pounds, this is one of the heavier cordless rivet guns in the lineup. The brand also isn't as well known as others, so long-term reliability might be harder to gauge. If you're a heavy DIYer or small workshop owner who values a complete kit at a fair price, the BDJHMP is an appealing option. It bridges the gap between affordability and professional performance quite nicely. Taking second place, the DEWALT is a professional-grade tool built for serious work. It's the same platform as our top pick, but sold as a bare tool, meaning you'll need to supply your own 20V max battery and charger. This rivet gun packs a punch: 2,100 pounds of pulling force and a nearly 1-inch stroke length. That means it can handle aluminum, steel, and even stainless steel rivets with ease. The tool-free nose piece system and onboard mandrel collector make it practical and efficient for job site use. Of course, the downside here is that it's sold without a battery or charger. That adds to the total cost if you're starting fresh, but it's a great value if you already have other DEWALT tools. For professional users who already own DEWALT batteries, the DCF403B is a no-brainer. It's light, powerful, and built to last. But if you want the same performance in a full kit, wait until you see our number 1. At the top of our list is the DEWALT DCF403D1, the complete kit version of the same powerhouse we just looked at. With the same impressive 2,100 pounds of pulling force, nearly 1-inch stroke, and that signature DEWALT durability, it's everything you want in a professional rivet gun. The kit includes a 2.0 amp-hour battery and charger, so you can start using it right out of the box. The ergonomic design, integrated LED light, and onboard nose piece storage make it incredibly user-friendly. It's efficient, precise, and powerful, exactly what you'd expect from a top-tier cordless rivet tool. While it's definitely one of the more expensive options, the combination of performance, reliability, and convenience justifies the price. It's an investment that pays off for professionals who rely on their tools daily. If you're serious about your work and want the best cordless rivet gun available today, the DEWALT DCF403D1 is the one to beat. So there you have it, 5 of the best cordless rivet guns ranked from weakest to strongest. Each one has its place depending on your needs, but if you want to see the best prices for all of them, check the links down in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more honest reviews of the tools that matter most to you.